Hello Technophile. Microsoft has introduced Move, a lightweight language model built directly into Windows 11 to make everyday tasks faster and more intuitive. Designed to run efficiently on device, Move helps users navigate settings, adjust system preferences, and find features using simple conversational prompts instead of digging through menus. It brings the power of AI to routine interactions like customizing accessibility options, managing connectivity, or optimizing performance by understanding natural language and offering quick, relevant actions. With Move, Windows 11 becomes more personal, responsive, and user friendly, giving users a smoother, smarter way to control their PC. Join me in this journey of the future now, where we explore the technologies that are transforming the present and defining the future of tech. Watch this entire video and let's get started. Microsoft unveils Move, its small language model for Windows 11 settings. Here is what it does for users. Introduction. Windows 11 is getting a new kind of assistant, not one that floats in a sidebar or takes over your screen, but one that subtly reshapes how you interact with your computer's setting. It's called Move, a small AI model developed by Microsoft, and it lives quietly inside the Settings app on Copilot Plus PCs. Built to understand natural language commands and help users navigate system preferences. Move may be small in size, but it marks a big shift in how operating systems are adopting to AI. Unlike Microsoft's more publicized Copilot integration powered by large language or cloud based language models, Move is entirely on device. Think of it as the tech savvy librarian behind the counter who can instantly point you to the exact book you are looking for, or better yet, fetch it for you. It's trying to understand requests like make text easier to read or turn on battery saver, and then either guide users to the correct settings or apply the change directly with permission. No menus, no tutorials, just a few words typed or spoken in natural language. Watch this entire video and experience for yourself the power of Move. Microsoft Move, small language model, big impact. Move is a part of a new breed of artificial intelligence called small language models or SLMs. These are scaled down versions of the giants like GPT-4 or GPT-5, optimized to run effectively on devices with limited computing resources. At just 330 million parameters, Move is a featherweight compared to its larger counterparts, but it's been specifically trained to handle real-time Windows user tasks. It runs on dedicated NPUs or neural processing units found in the new Copilot Plus PCs, especially those powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon X chips with blazing fast response time under 500 milliseconds. The technology behind Move is built on Microsoft Phi family of models. Internal research projects focused on maximizing AI performance within tight computational constraints. By distilling the capabilities of larger transformer models into a smaller encoder decoder format, Move can maintain a conversational feel while being nimble enough to run directly on your laptop. This local processing also means that no user data needs to leave your device, which is a significant privacy benefit at a time when AI is often associated with cloud surveillance and data scraping. Microsoft Move, a quiet revolution in user experience. For now, Move's reach is modest. It only lives inside the Settings app and only on Copilot Plus PCs. But that modesty is intentional. Microsoft isn't aiming to wow users with flashy conversations or personally driven chatbots. Instead, Move is a part of a quiet revolution in user experience, making Windows feel more intuitive, more responsive, and more helpful without getting in your way. It's a utility, not a show. The rollout is currently limited to Windows insiders. Users on the dev channels and beta channels with compatible hardwares can already test the Move powered settings agent. It's still early days, but the feedback so far indicates the feature is fast, effective, and surprisingly human like in its understanding. And that's what sets Move apart. It doesn't try to be everything, it tries to be useful. In an era of increasingly bloated AI features, Move is refreshingly focused. It's tool you forget exists until you need it and it works. Looking ahead, Microsoft plans to expand Move's capabilities with support for additional languages and deployment across AMD and Intel Copilot Plus PCs once those devices become widely available. There is also the potential for Move-like models to quietly show up in other corners of the Windows experience. Maybe File Explorer, maybe Settings Sync, maybe accessibility tools as well. For now, though, Move is exactly where it needs to be, behind the scenes, making your system feel smarter without showing off. And that's the kind of AI upgrade most users won't even notice, but they will never want to live without. I hope you enjoyed this video and gained valuable insights into the latest tech innovations. The future is now and the possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for more exciting deep dives at profound insights under the Future Now, the latest in tech playlist. If you like this video, please remember to click the like button, subscribe for more exciting tech updates, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to create more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Thank you.